In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge videos on Wave.video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to combine clips into one seamless project using the built-in editor without any extra software. Start by opening Wave.video and heading to the My Projects page. This is your home base where all of your existing projects live. Find the project that will act as your starting point. Think of this as the first clip in the sequence you're going to build. Click your video to open its details, then choose Edit Video. That takes you into the editor, where you'll see the preview and at the bottom, the timeline. The timeline is where clips are arranged from left to right, so whatever you add to the right will play after what comes before it. To attach another clip, move to the right edge of your current clip on the timeline and click the plus button. This tells Wave.video you want to append a new segment directly after the one you're working with, keeping your order clean and easy to manage. When the source menu appears, pick where your next clip should come from. Choose record if you want to capture something new on the spot, like a quick webcam intro or screen recording. Choose library to browse Wave.video's stock assets if you need B-roll. Or choose uploads to pull in files you've already added to your account. For the smoothest results, try to match orientation, resolution, and frame rate across clips so transitions look consistent. After you've located the clip you want, click Add. Wave.video will place that clip immediately after the current one on the timeline. If you're combining several segments, repeat the plus button and add flow for each additional clip you want to include. A quick naming convention in your mind like intro, demo, outro can help you keep the order straight as you go. Now it's time to preview. Press play in the editor and watch the sequence from the start through the new cut. Listen for audio jumps and look for any abrupt visual changes. If anything feels off, pause and review your selections, then preview again until it flows naturally. The goal here is simple. Confirm that the clips run back to back with no unwanted gaps or pauses. And that's it. You've opened your project, appended the next clip using the plus button, selected the source, added the video, and previewed your merged sequence. With this workflow, you can quickly bring multiple clips together into one cohesive video.